Hi everybody, Tom Lloyd, CCTV out here in Punta Gorda for some news you can use. Joining me right now is Travis Perdue, the Director of Facilities and Construction Maintenance Department, and he's going to talk to us about this groundbreaking and starting construction out here in Punta Gorda at the one of the Sheriff's Office locations. How are you doing today, Travis?
Great.
Travis, talk to me a little bit about what is going on behind us.
So today marks the groundbreaking, official groundbreaking of the District 4 Sheriff's Facility and Training Complex. So what's happening out here now is just the footings and the foundational elements to the project. The next step will be pouring the concrete slab, and then it'll just continue to progress from there.
Eventually, what is actually going to be taking place out here at this facility?
So this new facility will house the current District 4 office for the Charlotte County Sheriff's Department, and that is currently being housed at the admin building on Utilities Road over by the airport. So this is a new facility for them, a much needed new facility for them. It's been planned for many, many years. And then in conjunction with that is a training component that will pair with the existing training activities and component on this property.
Okay, talk to me a little bit about the project itself. How was this project funded?
This is one of the 2020 sales tax projects.
Okay, and so a much needed upgrade from what it was before.
Very much.
I know that this was the original site of the original headquarters way back in the day. Talk to me about what are the amenities that the Sheriff's is going to be doing here.
So as a training complex, there's several different components to the property. They have a gun range in the back. They have a canine unit that'll be part of this new facility. And then they have their other training complex, their other training components, which is the obstacle course and pieces like that are housed out back of this new facility.
When this facility is completed, obviously as being a sales tax project, the residents sought the need that this was very important. What will this facility here, how will this help residents of the county?
In the planning process for all new facilities countywide, and especially in sales tax projects, there's a lot of focus put on location, program, the operation of an organization such as the Sheriff's Department. So being strategic about where we locate and co-locate the operational aspects of the department is very important. And part of what you're seeing now is just a realization of that. So having District 4 in this location, we located District 1 in its location, District 3 in its location. Now, District 2 is a part of a Tier 2, as a Tier 2 component to the 2020 sales tax that takes them out of a leased space and puts them into a similar long-term facility.
Well, Travis, thank you so much for joining us. And remember, if you'd like more information about this project, you can always go to charlottecountyfl.gov and in the search bar type in Project Status Updates. For CCTV, news you could use, I'm Tom Lloyd.